We're about to show you how 2 million mangoes transform into juice, pulp, and powder without losing a single drop.
But how do we get from here to there in just 12 minutes?
That's our daily target, and we've never missed it.
Cuppers. So what happens to the damaged ones that could ruin the entire batch?
This machine right here is the secret. It can detect impurities humans can't see.
Watch what happens in the next 3 seconds. This is where the magic starts. Every morning, trucks like this arrive carrying the first batch of the day. But here's what most people don't know.
Watch the back stack, it's loose.
Got it. Stabilizing this side.
Clear the path for the lift.
Before anything else, we have to remove every trace of dirt and pesticide residue. This water recirculation system saves 40% of our daily consumption. This antimicrobial rinse eliminates 99.9% of remaining bacteria before processing.
All right, push it through slowly. Steady now. Watch the gap on the left. Hold it. That's aligned. Lock it down.
But here's the challenge. We can't let any moisture remain, or the juice extraction fails. Xingti. Now we separate by size and quality, because one bad mango can contaminate an entire batch of juice.
After this sorting stage, we've removed roughly 8% of the incoming batch, but the remaining fruit is now ready for transformation.
Conveyor engaged.
Tilting the load now.
Clear the chute on bay 2.
This is the Hero machine, a precision screw press that can extract juice without crushing the pit or releasing bitter compounds.
But raw juice oxidizes quickly, so we have exactly 8 minutes to process it before it degrades. From here, we reduce the water content to create concentrate, which is 12 times more concentrated than fresh juice.
Every batch must pass 47 different quality checks before it leaves this facility.
Nothing is wasted. Rejected fruit becomes premium pulp products with their own production line.
That tote is full.
Confirmed. Stopping the flow now.
Ready for the next container placement.
We're now looking at 3 finished products from a single batch of mangoes: juice, pulp, and dried pieces.
Bring it forward. Slow it down now. All right, easy right there. And hold.
This facility maintains constant temperature and humidity to preserve product freshness for 18 months. Batch number 72 confirmed. Clear this pallet for shipment.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next bay.
From 2 million mangoes to 0 waste and 3 premium products, This is industrial efficiency at its finest.